Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Friends, in today's video I'm showing you how to get glass fairness by using one apple and milk. Friends, this is very simple way to make in your home, and also this is a very effective way to make your skin very glow and also beautiful like a glass. You'll get glass fairness. You will look amazing after trying this. Within the span of 15 days only you can see amazing results on your skin. This is suitable for every skin type in this world, friends. Everyone can try this at their home and you can see very amazing best results. Friends, let's start this video. And before going to start this video, I want to say a big thanks to each and every individual of the subscriber in this channel, because without you guys support and without you guys encouragement we can't achieve this much of response and this much of viewership in this channel, friends. And recently we have crossed 5 lakh subscribers in this channel. That means a 500,000 of subscribers. That means a very big achievement. In fact, for us, we are very much indebted to each and every individual of the subscriber who are already subscribed to this channel. The people who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. You'll get very simple daily beauty tips on daily basis. You can also find some experiments. You can also see some social experiments also. You can see reviews of beauty products, everything. You can find everything related to beauty and social science experiments, friends. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe and join in our family of subscription in the Simple Tricks and Hacks, and please strive towards us to 1 million subscribers in this channel, friends. Let's start this video, friends. First we need to take some paste from this apple. Friends, this is the paste. After mixing this apple, you will get this kind of paste. In this, yes, you need to add 2 spoons of milk in this. Mix well. Friends, after mixing this milk and apple, just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just mix once again. Just friends, now just you need to apply this on your face, and you need to keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes, friends. Then you will see amazing and best results on your skin. Friends, myself recording this video, so I'm unable to show this on my face, so I am showing this on my hand, but you guys need to apply this on your face, friends. Okay, just take like this, keep it on your face for at least 15 to 20 minutes, friends. After 15 to 20 minutes, just wash it off. You'll see best and excellent results. Friends, I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. Please do like, share and comment for this video. Thank you.